What's up, my folks? Hog Size Sanho TV. About to add I'll call this about another 10 horsepower to the Impala. So I'm gonna show you what I'm putting in here. So I just want to show you. So you know how that goes. You know, just undo this screw right here. You know, make sure everything's nice and loose there. Just pop the little cap out. So let's see what goes on here. So this is what I'm replacing it with, you know, because you know how we do over here in the bay. That's what I'm doing right now. So I'll just give you guys a heads up. That's because it's Teal Town over here, you know how we do. So that's how I do over here, you know. Let me try to straighten it. Well, that's pretty much it, you guys. I'm going to tighten this up, and then that's the extra 10 horsepower. So let's try to get this in here as quick as we can. So, like I said, that's extra 10 horsepower. You know, we do over here in San Jose. You know, I'm a Sharks fan. So, peep game. What you guys think about that? So that's all. I'll talk to you guys later. Straight sharking.